So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if your Google Chrome is downloading files too slowly. Now there are multiple fixes. One of the most common fixes is just simply open command prompt CMD as administrator on your system. Simply hit it as run as administrator. Hit enter. Now here, simply write this command, that is ipconfig space slash flash DNS. Simply hit enter, and in my case it didn't work. In your case, if it didn't work, don't worry, we have another prompt to run. Simply type this command, that is netsh winsock reset. Simply hit enter. Now once you do it, you'll see successfully reset winsock catalog. What it does is simply clear all the cache for the file. And another thing to make sure, stay on the fast connection and stop all the background activities if you want the faster downloads. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.